Hey guys, welcome to my new channel called Slime Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my slimes. If there's noise in the background, that's my siblings. So let's get started. So first I'm going to use some Elmer's white glue. Sorry if this is really zoomed in. It's like really hard not to see, and I have made so many slimes. As you guys can see, sorry, I don't have like one of those like things that you put your phone on. Yeah, and this is going to be a really cringy video, but because I'm not really good at making YouTube videos yet, but that's good. Once I do live sometime, maybe I will do live, and then you can tell me what to make. There's my glue, and if you guys don't know something about me, that I like to mix my glue in before I add anything else. Now I'm going to add about 150 squirts of lotion. It just helps it. 2, 3, 4. I added 100. It's just the lotion that I'm using is Suava Skin Solution Therapy. It's really great and it makes it super nice. I'm definitely okay. And then your mixture should be really soupy. As you guys could see, super soupy. I made like a donut color last night and it's so cool. And I also made this one, which is raspberry. Now, okay, so some people might not know this trick, but I add hair gel to my slime. If you go follow Justamira, she uses this and it's so nice. Yeah, it's so... I use just a tiny bit of it. I don't use a lot of it so that I'm not... I don't want to use a lot of it because it makes it super jiggly. It's like super jiggly, so it's just, don't add too much of it. And then it should kind of become lumpy. Now we're going to be adding our color. Today I'm thinking maybe I don't know. I'm thinking of like a pink frosting. Yeah, let's do pink frosting. We're going to do pink frosting, and my replica is my squishy. We're doing the pink frosting from there. So I'm going to use a neon pink food coloring. I don't use paint, you guys. I use food coloring, and I'm just going to add 1 drop for right now. So this is heat frosting. It actually looks, it's much lighter it's much lighter for you, but it's a little bit darker for me because I can see it. Now I'm going to add, before I do anything, I'm going to add my borax, and I just have pre-made borax already. If you guys are going to use borax, make sure it doesn't like hurt your hands, like it irritates your hands. Make sure it does not, because that could be bad if it does. Now mix, but don't touch yet. You'll know when it's touching when it's coming off the bowl. Right now, it's super watery because of the much borax it is. So it's collecting all that borax, and then it will, if it's ready, it will start coming off the bowl. But right now, just keep mixing. Now it's becoming it, but now I can see it's still super sticky. I just know that that's not ready to touch. So I'm going to add that should be enough borax, but I'm not going to touch it yet. You guys, this is no. I don't have one of those tripod things that connects to it, so I'm just trying to find the best way to mix this. It is still definitely sticky. I'm just gonna luckily I have something to wipe my hands on. Yeah, but I'm just gonna keep okay. I'm just gonna okay. Now I'm just gonna start mixing. And you guys, in the comments below, tell me if I should start an Etsy shop or an Instagram shop, because I would love to. It's definitely becoming better. I'm gonna just dump it. You guys can't see that. dump it out and just add like a spoon. I just added some borax. It is one of my fingers hurt. So you guys can't see, but I'm adding a tiny bit more borax. Yeah. There you have it, you guys. Pink frosting. Maybe tell me in the comments down below if you want me to do a slime tour on the where I make my slime, or if you want me to do like want me to make an Etsy shop, I will leave my Instagram down below and my Musical.ly, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button so you know when I post new videos, and make sure you hit the like button so this video can get up to at least 20 likes. That would be awesome. And make sure you comment down below if you want to be part of the yeah, in the comments down below, tell me a thing so we can make like a tech thing like the unicorn fan. See if you can do something like that for me with something with techie slimes or something like techie slimes fam. Leave that in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next slime video. Bye guys.